Today we're looking at the Osmo Pocket Expansion kit. This is $109 from DJI, and it's January 25th, 2019. $109 as of today. And these are the three items you get. This is your GoPro mount. Allows you to use any GoPro adapter. This is a control wheel. This is pretty well made. I like the control wheel. It's pretty solid. Now this here is your wireless base. This is the fun one. This is what I really got the kit for. Now look at the size of the mount here compared to the box. Now, if you look at this, there's nothing else in the box. It's ridiculous the amount of space. It's ridiculous the size of the box they used for just 3 items. It's ridiculous. Total waste of space. Total waste of packaging. And here you get all the documentation that, of course, nobody reads. And, of course, the memory card. Very nice, Samsung. I like that. It's a good memory card. Now, in addition to the DJI hardware, I purchased something else, and I found this online from a company called Aerial Pixel. Now, a lot of complaints I've been reading on or hearing online about the GoPro mount is it's in a weird position. So, with the GoPro mount being towards the middle of the Osmo, it makes it difficult to put a mount on there. So, I found this online, which is 3D printed. Some guy out there designed this thing, and let me tell you something. This thing is designed really well. Really well. DJI should learn from this guy, whoever made this thing. Now, to get this thing in there, to get the mount in there, you just slide it in. Boom. Just like that, and it's done. You're slid in there, it locks in pretty good. I find this thing to be real nice. I probably will never remove it from the wireless base. I'll probably just keep it on there. It actually is a wider base, so it gives the GoPro, it gives the Osmo more surface. It makes it more stable just by sitting it down on the end like that. That's it. Just like that, it's a wider base, so it'll give it more stability. Now pop the Osmo into the wireless base. There you go. This is what it looks like with the Osmo wireless base slid into the bottom of it. Now, what I really didn't realize after pairing the wireless base to my phone, I didn't really pay attention to what the Osmo was doing. And apparently you have to respond on the Osmo screen when you're pairing it with your phone, which wasn't really paying attention, and took me a while to take a look at the Osmo and say, oh, okay, I gotta click OK on the Osmo to get it to pair with the phone. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on the control wheel. And the nice thing about this is that the control wheel just slides right in there. Just like that. Boom, it's done. Now, at this point here in the video, I've actually got the Osmo still paired to my phone, which is why there's nothing on the display. Another thing I wasn't paying attention to. So as I'm playing around here with the control wheel, I'm getting nothing on the display. So finally, I realized that, hey man, it's going to my phone. So turn the thing off, you turn it back on again, and boom, you get a display. It's just me simply not paying attention. And one thing that I found very limiting with this adapter here, provided in the expansion kit, is that if you want to use any sort of a GoPro mount or any sort of accessory, this little guy is probably not the best choice. And the reason I don't think that this is a great choice is if you're going to want to use the control wheel, look at this. Not a great design, DJI. It makes that pretty much useless for the kit. Now, Aerial Pixel did a fantastic job with this thing. You take out your lightning connector and you just slide it into the base. You're not going to lose it, and that makes it easier when you're traveling, so that you don't lose the lightning connector, but you can still use the control wheel. So if you're using the control wheel, you'll undoubtedly lose the lightning connector, but not with the Aerial Pixel. Look at this. They've also got it a hole in the Aerial Pixel mount to allow you to charge you with your USB-C. It's in there pretty good. Now, this is what DJI should have done. You can slide the USB cable directly through the Aerial Pixel mount. Boom. Great job, Aerial Pixel. I'll put a link in the description below on how you can get one of these. It's only 20 bucks. Perfect combination, the Aerial Pixel mount and the DJI Expansion kit.